All right, it's a little bit darker back here. Let's try the lights out again. Oh, dude! I can see everything. Here, turn yours off. All right, so that's mine. All right, turn yours back on.
Dude, look how dark, yeah, but... Hey, no, seriously, man. You need to make a video about that, brother.
I can actually get ride footage at night now. All right, so now we're testing out the lights underwater. Let's get them up. Oh, it's like two beams. All right, let's see if we can see fish with these lights. Let's put them under. That's high beams. There's low beams. Yeah, pretty good for night fishing.